On this side, of course, there's just a right of way from the, the 15 feet on that side. So that, that's really
Yeah, you can't do anything.
right. But all this is their property, 14 acres.
The big thing is a place to grow some food.
Oh yeah, Lord, yeah.
And we just were back to back, and I took a wrong turn on a property that was borderline Greenville, borderline Rogersville. And then I had no cell service to get myself out of there.
Oh, no.
Because I missed my turn.
Ooh.
So I had to call, and we missed the appointment altogether.
No, the cell service is a little tricky coming up through here. Now, right up here is the steep spot.
This is the steep part.
Yeah, when we turn this little curve right here.
Okay.
But I'll just tell you, you see what I drive.
It's not so bad.
Well, it's really just the top. I'll just be honest with you. You just got to go.
Yeah, go ahead. You go, girl.
It's like I tell people, they're like, you drive the lake? And I'm like, I drive it, I don't park it, look at it. No. But it wasn't that bad.
No, that wasn't that bad.
And like I said, I can drive that in two-wheel drive. It's probably going to be frowned upon by someone that doesn't probably know me. But obviously, I put it in four-wheel drive just for sake of argument.
Well, yeah, some people come up here and go, you should have told me it was four-wheel drive.
Yeah. You don't know how many
Sometimes
people.
it's not. Sometimes,
Well, I brought a guy, which I don't mind. That's why I offered to bring you. I don't mind. I had a guy last Sunday, come and look. And I said, well, what are you in? He said, I'm in little Kia Rio. I'm like, you're going to need me to meet you. Yeah, I'm like, you're going to need me to meet you. I'll just bring you up there. Yeah, this is it. Wait till you get up here.
It's got killer views.
Oh, yeah. But it's not really that bad, like I said. It's one of those things you either want to be in a place like this or you don't. And the drive, you obviously see the you have to drive to get to, the top of the mountain.
Right. Any time you live at the top of a mountain, it's a drive.
Right. I just put it in two-wheel drive, so sorry. That was me.
Hey, buddy.
That's Storm.